So, these associations, if I pick up just one of them to explain it to you, see if I say the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Sarvajanik, the word means for everybody, for all of us. So, all these associations together gave the Indians the feeling of unity and oneness and the desire for a common aim, which was gaining independence from the foreign rule. Then comes in the various acts which also intensified the feeling of nationalism in India. The various acts which were passed from time to time made the Indians more eager, made the Indians more against the Britishers, and they wanted to throw the Britishers out of India as soon as possible. For example, Arms Act which was passed in 1878 prohibited any Indian from possessing any kind of arm even with license, whereas a European could possess as many arms as he wanted without license. Then came the Vernacular Press Act. According to the Vernacular Press Act, the Indian presses, that is who wrote in the local languages, could not produce, could not give anything which was in common, which was in accordance with nationalism. Then came in the Ilbert Bill controversy in 1883. According to this, the Britishers tried to bring in unity between the Indians and the Britishers, so they passed this act of Ilbert Bill saying that now on even a British judge could give judgment to the Indian and the Indian judge could give judgment to the British convict, which was not liked by the Britishers, and they said that no, for a Britisher it should be a British judge only, they cannot take judgment from an Indian judge, which led to a controversy, and this became intensified, thus leading to greater nationalism in India.